Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Because right now the COVID-19 virus, as you said, the mask. I will now explain the steps of 4-stroke and 2-stroke engine. Number 1. Step 4-stroke. 4-stroke engine is an engine that have 4 working steps to rotate crankshaft. Their steps are: first step, intake. Intake valve is open and exhaust valve is closed. Piston move from TDC to BDC and suck into the chamber. Second step, compression. In this step, intake valve and exhaust valve is closed. Piston move from BDC to TDC and compress the air and the max. The temperature and pressure rises. Number 3. Combustion. Injector eject fuel. The fuel mixes with the air casing and explosion. The explosion pushes the piston to BDC. Number 4. Exhaust. Intake valve is closed. Exhaust valve is open. Piston move from BDC to TDC and push exhaust gas out. Number 2. Two-stroke diesel engine. How to work two-stroke diesel engine? In this machine, only 2 steps occur, namely: number 1. Suction and compression steps. The suction step is the process of entering air into the engine cylinder, while the compression step is the process of suppressing air into the tincture from so that the air temperature increases. On a 4-stroke engine, the two processes are local in different steps, but on a 2-stroke system, there's 2 steps occur in one step in turn. Starting from the piston in the BDC, when the piston is in the BDC, the air will enter through the air hose around the cylinder well. This air can be pushed in because the intake channel has a blower or turbo that pushes air towards the engine. Then the piston will move up. This movement will make the air hole closed by the piston valve. As a result, when the new piston moves to TDC, the compressed air will begin. When the piston reaches TDC, the air has been compressed so that the temperature rises and is ready for combustion. Number 2. Power and exhaust step. The power step is the process of combustion, while the exhaust step is the process of removing combustion gases from the engine to the exhaust. An effort step will occur when the piston reaches TDC at the end of the combustion step. At this time, the injector will absorb some diesel fuel into the high pressure air. The result is diesel will burn by itself. Why does diesel burn? This is because the temperature of compression air exceeds the solar flash point, so diesel will burn if put into the high temperature air. The result of that combustion will change expression power which pushes the piston to move to TMB before the piston reaches TMB, the exhaust valve will open. In this position, the air hole will also open because the piston position is below, so that the air exhaust by the blower will push the combustion gas out of the exhaust valve. The exhaust valve will close when the piston restores to TDC. This process will continue until the solar supply stops it.